REST API बनाने वाले हैं with the help of Express and Node.js. So let's begin by creating a new folder. Let's create one folder, REST API. Now open this inside our VS Code. अभी टर्मिनल ओपन करके हमें टाइप करना है npm init -y. ये क्या करेगा, एक package.json फाइल बना देगा and -y will set the parameter as yes for all the default input values. So we now have one package.json file. Now we need to install Express. npm install Express, hit enter. This will install an Express.js module inside our node directory. Now we have to create one index.js file. Now we will begin by creating one Express variable, and we will assign this with require Express. Now assign this as Express. Now let's define the port number as 3000. Now we will have to create one endpoint for our REST API. So we will create a get method app.get. This is the endpoint. Now app.get will take request and a response in a callback function. So this is a callback function. So we have passed request and a response parameter. Now let's just send one response, hello world. Now start the API by passing the port number. This backend server will listen on this port number. So we have declared the port number as 3000. Now let's also pass one callback function. This will print on console when the app invoke or start on this port number. Server को start करने के लिए we have to type node index.js. So it has printed that app is listening on port number 3000. Now let's verify. We have set the method name as get http colon localhost 3000 slash. This is the root endpoint. So we have received hello world as a response of this API endpoint. We also can verify by changing its text as get API invoked. So if we call it again, it has printed the same. That is because we have to restart the server. Get API invoked. So this is how we have created one get method. Now we will create one post method, app.post API slash user. We will pass request response. So in post method, what we will do is we will print the request body which we received here. Body received request dot body response dot send request received. So stop the server and now restart. Now let's test the post method. HTTP column localhost 3000 slash API slash user. Now let's pass body raw JSON. Now let's pass first name Rohit and last name Singh. Now click on the send button. The backend has printed body received undefined. This is because by default Express doesn't allow us to send values in request.body. So उसके लिए what we will do is we will introduce one middleware function app.use. This will be something like this: express.json. This will parse the request body. Now restart and resend or recall. See, now our backend API has printed the first name and last name.